Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, October 1st. In the Nasdaq market, well, let's see what happened here. We saw a market the day before break to the downside and then rally. That created that shadow we see on the bottom. And if we look at yesterday's action, well, we did get some follow through, which is what I was looking for. Not a dramatic move, but it just couldn't hold on to it. This is a neutral setup. It implies a sideways move, but my bias is still for movement to the upside. The Chinese situation is what we need to keep an eye on. Right now, when it comes to the dollar, it continues stronger as we see the euro getting weaker. And here, again, we're approaching levels that I think we should start to see a market stop to take a breath, but nothing telling us to be a buyer at these levels. Now, when it comes to the interest rate markets, 10-year notes breaks to the downside in yesterday's action. That's what I was talking about. I'm bearish on this market. I'm looking for that to continue, and I'm looking for that to happen today. So a sideways move to lower is what I'm looking for in the interest rate markets. Gold, on the other hand, breaks to the downside, very bouncy as it pulls right back up. We can see in Asia right now it's a little bit weaker. We just don't have the demand right now for this product. I'm looking for sideways to lower in this market also. Not a dramatic move. If it does move lower, it should be dramatic, but I don't think we're going to get that kind of movement. And I am still bearish on this market. But let's move on and take a look at crude oil. Dramatic drop to the downside. Again, as I've talked about, I am not bullish on this market. I'm very bearish actually, but as long as we see buyers coming in, I would be willing to be a buyer of this market. Long term, I'm bearish and I'm looking for a rest day today in that market. When it comes to the grains, well, soybeans did trade above this bullish level. And that difference between the bearish and bullish level in this market is $2,300 per contract. And again, from my point of view, that's just a reference that I'm giving you to give you an idea of what that magnitude of change would be. I'm looking for a rest day to lower in these grain markets. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.